We're the National Operations Center of Excellence, or NOCoE. We offer a number of technical services and resources to serve the Transportation Systems Management and Operations, or TSMO community. NOCoE was founded as a partnership of the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, the Institute of Transportation Engineers, and the Intelligent Transportation Society of America, and support from the Federal Highway Administration, with the goal of enabling the TSMO community to save lives, improve travel times, and enhance economic vitality. NOCoE provides an array of services, including peer exchanges on advancing TSMO practices, webinars to transfer knowledge on a variety of TSMO-focused strategies. Case studies capture the strategies and practices currently being deployed to advance the TSMO industry and enable TSMO practitioners to save lives, time, and money. National TSMO summits moving the industry forward in areas such as workforce development and mainstreaming TSMO. Student and industry activities to attract and enable the TSMO workforce. On-call assistance to states and other organizations to identify best practice material. And of course, NOCoE transfers knowledge in the transportation industry by running a full online knowledge center with over 2,000 TSMO resources. The website also includes a number of portals around specific topics and TSMO strategies. This includes the TSMO Workforce Development Portal, which contains guidance on recruiting, retaining, and training for the TSMO workforce, as well as a number of other resources including model TSMO position descriptions and a database of TSMO trainings, which provides resources including NOCoE case studies, which capture the strategies and practices currently being deployed to advance the TSMO industry and enable TSMO practitioners to save lives, time, and money. Resources like the TSMO funding fact sheets, which identify how agencies are funding TSMO and incorporating TSMO into their capital improvement process. The Traffic Incident Management Portal provides resources in an ongoing effort to reduce travel delay and non-recurring congestion, improve responder and traveler safety, support energy savings and better air quality, and more. The Traffic Management Systems and Centers page, a portal to facilitate the exchange of information, experiences, and resources to promote opportunities to enhance the management and operation of traffic management systems and centers. Sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date with new developing resources, webinars, case studies, events, and more. Contact us to get involved in our rapidly growing TSMO community at transportationops.org.